To produce a new hydraulically bound base layer, a towed spreader from Streumaster pre-spreads cement. Computer-controlled metering feeders ensure highest spreading accuracy. Behind the spreader, the Wirtgen recycler pushes a water tanker truck by means of a push bar. The recycler draws in water continuously via a hose connection. The powerful milling and mixing rotor mixes the existing material and pre-spread cement to produce a homogeneous mixture. At the same time, the required amount of water is injected into the mixing chamber via a microprocessor-controlled injection bar. The pressurized scraper at the rotor plate levels off the recycled material to create an even surface. A Hamm single-drum compactor with smooth drum then compacts the stabilized, homogeneous base course material, while a grader carries out finish grading. A tandem roller and pneumatic tired roller follow right behind to complete the compaction process.